Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Sorry, we are 2 minutes late, everybody. Had a few technical issues, but welcome to our Instagram live. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
Excited? Why are you excited?
Because I haven't really done one of these before.
You haven't done one of these. You should be talking about how you're excited because you're homeschooling at the moment,
Yeah.
home learning.
Yay.
Yeah. How's all that going, by the way, guys? Learning at home, being with your parents, being away from your friends, being away from your teachers. Let us know how you're feeling because this is what it's all about today. That's exactly what we're talking about, how we are feeling. Okay? So put down something in the comments about how you're feeling so we can get an idea of how things are going for you because, like I said, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. And what we're going to start with, some things that you are very familiar with. Okay? So got some feelings here. Okay, so what we're going to do is Masima and I have already gone through these feelings and we've already noted down exactly what we think they are, but we want you guys to tell us what you think they are because looking at them you guys will have your own opinions about them and you'll have your own thoughts about them. Okay, so should we start with this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, okay. So, is this emoji here? I hope everybody can see it. Nice and big. You guys may have seen this before in Mummy and Daddy's phone, but what do you think this is? Any ideas? Oh, Sarup Singh is missing school, but he's okay. Happy birthday, by the way, to Sarup Singh. I think he was 11 years old. Yeah, looking very cool. Saw the photos of him. Anyone? What do you think this is? Nervous, somebody said. Yeah. Possibly nervous. Anyone else? It's a bit of a blank kind of emotion. Confused, Arjun says. Very good. Anyone else? One more. Bored. Oh, Danvi Singh. Very good. Look, can you see here? Danvi Singh, can you see here? Bored. Bored. Well done.
Well done.
So we had confused, nervous, and bored, frustrated, possibly. So that's the beauty of this. Look, we've all had different thoughts and opinions on the same emoji. Okay, so should we go to the next one then?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Right. So, what do we have here, guys? Got one there. What do we think this one looks like? Have we seen this one before? Anyone? Doesn't look very happy. Or am I giving it away? Sad. Okay, someone said. Blank. Sad. Another one sad. Crying. I can't see any tears on this one. More than sad. Okay. Upset. Okay. Crying. Okay, so what we put down is actually totally different. Oh, someone said he's got coronavirus. I hope not. Lonely. Okay, what we put down is something totally different from you guys. We said worried. So it could have been all of those things that you said. Irritated as well, but we put down worried. Okay, so next one. So here we have this one. Miserable he was, yeah. This one here.
Really sad.
Really sad. He looks a bit kind of maybe surprised. But he's not surprised. Oh, someone said surprised. Shocked. Shocked. Element of shock. Shock. More shocked. Does everyone think shocked? Okay, so we could be wrong with this one. Scared. Scared, yep, this is the kind of lines what we went on. We said frightened. Frightened. So being scared and frightened, shocked, surprised, along the same sort of lines as you guys there on that one. So we're coming to the last couple now. We think this one's a bit of an easy one, but we could be wrong. What do you guys think when you see this one? Ooh. This one. What do you think? He looks a bit red. This is an easy one, I think. Angry.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So that's anger in Punjabi. Angry face. Very angry. Angry. Yeah, I guess we all agree on that one. That's an easy one, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's exactly what we said. So well done. And this is the one we're going to end it off with. Just checking how we're doing for time. Mad. Okay, someone said. Angry again. Angry. Yeah. Angry. Annoyed. So here we're going to end it up with this one. So should we try and copy this one?
Yeah.
Here we go. So what do you think about this one? Again, this could be like the last one. It could be an easy one, or it could be slightly different. What do we think on this one? Happy. Yeah, very happy, somebody said. Happy again. Happy. Happy. And yeah, joyful, somebody said. Happy. Happy again. Yeah. Ecstatic. Oh, some
Good
nice
word.
words there. Good word, yeah.
Yeah.
Joyful. Yeah, joyful.
Joyful.
Smiley. When the dentist says open your mouth, haha. Definitely not me. Excited. Okay, so we said happy as well. So well done everybody there. So we've seen so many different emojis there. And just gather them back together. Can my assistant help me out here? Right, okay, so when we have emojis, what do we think about emojis when we tell people how we're feeling? Is that exactly how we're feeling? Okay, so I could put an emoji down of a big smiley face right now, but would that actually tell the other person who's receiving that emoji exactly how I'm feeling? Maybe, maybe not, because I could put down a smiley face right now. I could do a comment of a smiley face. Right, ready, steady, go.
Yay,
Right, so I posted that smiley face, yeah? But really, I could be so nervous inside because I've never done one of these Instagram lives before with you guys. So would that be a real reflection of how I'm feeling? So this is how we actually talk to each other these days, guys. Mummies and daddies, we all talk to each other via emojis, okay? And that's the way that everybody's going in the world. So we need to actually think about how we're talking to each other and try to go back to actually talking to each other, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? So actually using words. So maybe picking up the phone to talk to someone rather than sending them a message and things like that. Because that way we are actually expressing really how we feel, because somebody will be able to pick up from the tone of our voice or the expression on our face rather than just putting something down. So we've got some things here. So we said we had worry. So how are you guys feeling? You might be feeling worried. How are you feeling? Are you feeling worried because you're not at school?
Yeah, and I don't want anyone in our family to get it. So
Exactly. So these are the things we're worrying about at the moment. We're worried that we're not at school, and we're worried about the coronavirus because we're worried that people in our family might get it, or our friends, or we're not able to see our daddy, dadaji, nani, nanaji at the moment, are we? And we're quite worried about them at the moment, aren't we? Because we need to, really take care of them. We said bored, yeah? Are you bored without school?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm bored without work. You say that, but when you go back to work and when you go back to school, isn't it? So you're missing your friends, aren't you? I'm missing my work friends. You must be missing your friends.
I'm missing the AstroTurf.
She's missing playing football, the AstroTurf. Yeah? We had angry, didn't we? You might be feeling angry. Why is this happening? What is going on? Why is this happening to me? There was a bit of frustration with you as well, wasn't there? Because you were saying, why am I having to miss out on the end of my school because of the end of year 6, right?
Yeah.
Why is this happening to me? Yeah? We could be feeling happy because we're spending a lot of time together, right?
Yeah.
We're doing a lot of things that we don't normally get time to do. And what?
And we might realise things that we didn't know about each other before.
Yeah, exactly, because we're playing a lot of football together now, aren't we? we're doing a lot of things that we don't necessarily get to do with each other. And we had frightened as well. Again, that's similar with being worried. So we're scared because there's a lot of information out there coming in, and there's things that we don't maybe understand, or things that we're worried about. So all of the important things, the message that we have today, we've only got a couple of minutes left. The message we want to put across to you guys today about how you're feeling is important that you speak to your mummies and daddies about how you're feeling and how you communicate that. But also, because we're Sikhs, who can we talk to as a Sikh?
Guruji.
We can talk to Guruji. How do we talk to Guruji?
We're doing a dance.
So we do ardas. So we've got something that we have ardas for, which is a formal thing. You probably remember when you go to the Gurdwara, we all stand together and do ardas. Yes, that's a form of ardas. That's one form of ardas. What's another form of ardas?
Bart.
Doing Bart. That's another form of ardas. Yeah. What, another one? You were just doing it a little while ago. Doing Kirtan.
Oh yeah, Kirtan.
Yeah, that's a form of ardas. It's talking to Guruji about the things that you're worried about, because actually what's so special and magical is that Guruji knows what I'm thinking about, what Mansima's thinking about, and Guruji already knows what you're thinking about. Yeah, so that's so special. But Guruji just wants us to tell him how we're feeling. And once we tell Guruji how we're feeling, like when we tell our mummies and daddies how we're feeling, then we feel better after that, isn't it? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so actually we've only got 1 minute left on this live stream at the moment. So Mansima has got a very simple message for you guys before we go. What is that?
So one thing that you can do to take the emotions out of your system and out of your body is that you can write a diary on, it can be on some rough paper, or it can be on a notebook. And I've been writing a diary for some time, and it really helps you because sometimes you struggle with a day, or you have the best day, and it's nice to write that down. Yeah,
writing is a form of therapy. Yeah, when you write things down, you're taking them out of yourself and you're putting them down on paper. And also, how powerful it is, you can look back in time and say, oh, you had this, that happened to you, this happened to you, because sometimes we forget these things, isn't it? So it's really good to write it down. So today, starting from today, if you guys, and we'll be checking on with you because we're back on again next Monday, aren't we?
Yeah.
So if you guys write something down at the end of today, you probably already have some reflection time anyway. If you do, that's great. So write something down on a bit of paper and write, "Dear Diary, and this is how I'm feeling today." So think about all of the emojis that we covered, and those thoughts, feelings, emotions and behaviours. Think about all of that and write it down, okay? And Mansira, finishing off with your final message.
If you are joining us via YouTube's
over there.
Then please subscribe.
Subscribe, yep.
And thank you for all of our new followers on Instagram.
Instagram's over here, yep. Thank you very much for everyone.
Thank you to everyone's support. And we'll see you on Wednesday at 2:30 for story time.
So we're on Mondays, Wednesdays and Friday. So next time, as Mansima said, will be Wednesday at 2:30. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And we hope you have a wonderful rest of the afternoon. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Waheguru. Waheguru.